In 1873, the Independent Order of Odd Fellows Lodge number 303 erected the three-story brick structure that stands at 102 West Main Street in New Paris, Ohio, and became home to the New Paris Antique Mall in 2008. The IOOF encountered financial difficulties and was compelled to sell the property in 1899. Following the secession of short-time owners, the structure was purchased by the Knights of Pythias and became home to the Castle Hall of Harmony Lodge number 396 in 1909. Both the IOOF and KFP lodges utilized the third floor of the building for their lodge meetings. The second floor served as the community opera house. According to information printed in the New Paris Mirror in 1930, the opera house featured the Babette Singers and Dancers, an 8-act vaudeville show, minstrel shows, traveling medicine shows, and a dance and card party sponsored by Delta Theta Tau sorority. It was also the site of a 50-50 dance sponsored by J.J. Jack Simpson, with music by Harry Kepler's Harmony Fourth Orchestra, with tickets priced at 25 cents and a crowd of 90 attending. It has also been told that the Grand Army of the Republic, Caleb Marker's Post number 646, used the second floor opera house for meetings and dinners. Business establishments utilizing the first floor of the building over the years include L.J. Reed Hardware, Earl Radford Hardware, Fred Woods Grocery, Denny Brothers, and Williams Brothers Market, owned by S.A. Bill and Joe Williams from 1934 to the late 1950s. In 1960, William Acker purchased the building and opened a furniture store. Acker's furniture store operated out of the building for 34 years until the store was closed, and the building was sold at auction to a local New Paris businessman in September 1994. The building then languished for 14 years and fell into serious disrepair until it was purchased in early 2008 by Keith and Linda Kelly under the name of New Paris Investments, LLC, and renovations commenced. After 6 months of restoration work, they opened the New Paris Antique Mall, utilizing the first and second floors of the building. Renovations continue, and over time, additional renovated spaces, including the basement, third floor, and adjoining one-story building, were added to the overall sales floor space. In 2015, the business name New Paris Antique Mall was painted on the north face of the building and then repainted in November 2022.